How to install ImageMagick on WHM cPanel. Log in to WHM with root access. Select the software option. Select module installers. A list of language module installs will appear. Click on Manage beside PHP Pecl. Select an appropriate PHP version from the drop-down list to get a compatible extension of ImageMagick. Type Imagick in the search box and click on Go. The module for the Imagick add-on will show up in the search results. Click on Install below the Actions column. The installation process will instantly commence. After a few seconds, the system will complete the installation of Imagick PHP Pecl and display a success message at the end. That's how you can install ImageMagick on WHM cPanel. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If yes, then hit the like button.